Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8. My name is Muhammad Amir Hamzah Batu Hisham, DN 2058. We will present about the Software Defined Networking, SDN. We are from Group 8. The content is introduction, technical specification, latest news and conclusion. For the introduction, what is Software Defined Network, SDN? SDN is the network architecture approach that allows for intelligent and central control of network through software application and open APIs, which is enable network operator to manage their network holistically and consistently. SDN separates the control of the network from the physical forwarding of the data packet, allowing for more flexibility and control over the network. We can see control SDN controller can control the network device at the center. Okay, next, the layer of SDN. SDN architecture have three layers. Application layer, the top one, provide user interface and APIs for network administrator to interact with the network. Second layer is control layer, make decision and execute network policy. And the third layer is infrastructure layer, physically forward data packet. All the layer was separation of layer allowed for greater flexibility and control over the network through software management and programming. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Rusdi, and I will explain about how the software-defined network works. So with a software-defined network admins can control the whole network from one place, programming and managing it from a centralized server instead of by each individual device. So software-defined network consists of three components, which is firstly application that communicate resource request, action, or information about the entire network. Secondly, controllers that take application and hardware information and route it appropriately. And lastly, networking device that receive the data from the controller and process and move it as direct. So next is the importance of software-defined network. Software-defined network represents a substantial step forward from traditional networking in that it enables the following, which is firstly, software-defined network gives more control and flexibility over network traffic by using a central software controller instead of manual programming of many hardware devices. Also allow to choose any networking equipment by using a single communication protocol. Next is software-defined network allows for customizable network infrastructure by giving control to administrator to change network service and allocate resources through one central location, making it possible to optimize data flow and prioritize application. And lastly, software-defined network improves security by giving an overall view of potential threats and allowing for creating different security levels for devices or quickly isolating infect device to protect the rest of the network. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Abdul Muin bin Abdul Rahim. I am from Group 8, Section 2 for Computer Network. So I'll be presenting on the subject matter news and the conclusion part. So let's move on to the first part, which is the software-defined networking related news. So what's up with the news? The market is to predict that the SDN will be valued at 200 billion US dollar by the year 2032, which is just 9 years away from now. So why is that? So the emergence of new startups in the market that are identifying innovative ideas and addressing new challenges, and the significant increase in venture capital funding, which means that everyone wants in. So it shows that there is a potential growth towards SDN in the global market. So let's move on to the conclusion part. So for the conclusion part, as a conclusion, SDN technology allow network operators to control network behavior through program and SDN APIs, or application programming interface. Second up, offers many benefits including improved network management, becoming increasingly important in cable industry, challenges to be addressed such as security and scalability. The ongoing move to SDN marks a monumental shift, like say in the news, everyone wants in. And lastly, the potential to use in various sectors with further development and improvement, as it is a growing market and everyone wants in, so there will be room for development here and there as we go out up to 2032. So that is all from Group 8, Section 2. Thank you.